I was thinking more flaming hot Doritos.
I don't think you should do that. I don't want that.
I'm eating that. You ain't gotta eat it. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna take some habanero fermented hot sauce from African Dream Foods. Feel free to go to my website and check them out. I may have a couple of them, but I got lemon garlic peri-peri. I'm low as heck because I already been going into the Patreon. The Patreon folks been supporting big time, and I transferred all my stuff over to Patreon. So basically, you pay $9. $9 get you one of these shipped to your house, and you also get early video access to all the stuff and the cool YouTube videos that we do here at Twitch. We send them over to the Patreon folks to see first a week ahead with hot sauce and all kind of cool stuff. What are you doing?
I was just checking.
You need some water? Alright, I'm about to put some of this habanero hot sauce on the flaming hot Doritos. Oh yeah. And it fell in there all good. Look at that. Oh yeah. Me like it, that hot stuff, baby. It just, and it's reeking. It's reeking like hard, hot habanero right now. I wasn't thinking about it. It was very hot.
Why would you want to eat snacks?
This is a certified nose sweater, baby. This is, oh my gosh, it's super hot. Flaming hot Doritos, Cool Ranch with habanero hot sauce from African Dream Foods. Oh man. That's hot. Don't eat it, it's too hot.